Electrical steel is a specially processed steel alloy designed for electrical applications due to its unique magnetic properties. The process of creating grain-oriented electrical steel involves specific steps to enhance these properties. Firstly, the steel grains are enlarged through controlled heat treatments and rolling techniques. Secondly, the grains are oriented, typically aligning them in the rolling direction. This is achieved through careful control of the rolling process. The mechanism behind this process is that enlarged and aligned steel grains create a more uniform magnetic path with reduced grain boundaries. This uniformity reduces magnetic hysteresis and eddy current losses, ultimately improving magnetic performance. Grain-oriented electrical steel is primarily used in transformer cores, where it facilitates efficient magnetic energy transfer. It is also used in fluorescent lamp ballasts to regulate current and create the necessary magnetic field for operation. Furthermore, it is employed in magnetic shields to minimize interference from external magnetic fields. Additional resources are available from the American Iron and Steel Institute specifically about electrical steels, AK Steel specifically about grain-oriented electrical steel, and the Handbook of Electrical Engineering. These resources provide further insights into the materials, processes, and applications of grain-oriented electrical steel.